Best Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Wallpaper has been a part of interior design for many hundreds of years. Wallpaper can be hard to remove, and existing, tough-to-match patterns present an obstacle for those looking to switch up their decor. That is until recently, anyways. Wallpaper has now returned to our good graces thanks to the invention of temporary designs. Temporary wallpapers are ideal for renters and those who like to change their interior design every so often. Thanks to peel and stick sheets, temporary wallpaper is also easy to use, no matter your skill level. So if you're ready to hop on the wallpaper bandwagon and are looking to create an accent wall, liven up your office, or add dimension and character to an otherwise boring ceiling, these are the retailers to turn to now. Number 1. Home Modern Circle Oval Stripe Peel and Stick Wallpaper. The one downside of removable wallpaper is that it can be quite pricey, and if you're hoping to test it out before making a big financial commitment, one of the best budget-friendly picks is the Home Modern Peel and Stick Wallpaper. This print features black and white circles, ovals, and delicate lines, and each roll covers 14.5 square feet. However, the price per roll is so low that you can buy several without draining your bank account. Because the pattern is so intricate, the wallpaper can be a bit tricky to line up, but the extra effort is worth it, as you'll be left with a lovely modern wall that's sure to earn you compliments. Color, black and white. Type, peel and stick. Material, vinyl. Number 2. Roommates Distressed Wood Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Distressed wood is a classic design choice in farmhouse interiors, and you can easily achieve this look with the help of the Roommates Distressed Wood Wallpaper. No nails needed. This peel and stick wallpaper is designed to replicate the appearance of rustic wood, whether you want to use it on an accent wall or even to redo a piece of furniture. The pattern has a gray and white color scheme with brown coming through for a realistic appearance, and the product is easy to hang, as you can simply peel it off and reposition it if you make a mistake. Color, gray, white and brown. Type, peel and stick. Material, vinyl. Coverage, 28 square feet. Number 3. NuWallpaper Maui Peel and Stick Wallpaper. This peel and stick paper is available in rolls measuring 20.5 inches wide by 18 feet long, with about 30.75 square feet of coverage, and it will stick to any smooth flat surface. It can be repositioned easily during installation. When it's time to remove it, simply pull it up. It won't leave sticky residue behind. Perfect for an accent wall or basement tiki bar. This botanical aesthetic offers a bold design statement. NuWallpaper's vinyl paper is washable for easy upkeep, yet it will stick best in low moisture areas. Number 4. Tempaper Feather Flock Wallpaper. This peel and stick paper from Tempaper is easy to apply and is also repositionable. It works well for applications ranging from walls and furniture to bookcases and stair risers. The modern and elegant bird design is offered in 5 colors to coordinate with a variety of spaces. This vinyl wallpaper is heat and steam resistant, and it can be wiped clean. It is made in the USA with non-toxic glue and water-based ink, and is phthalate and VOC-free. Buy it in rolls measuring 20.5 inches wide by 16.5 long to cover 28 square feet. Number 5. Abyssaly Wood Self-Adhesive Paper. This easy-to-install peel and stick wallpaper adds flair to any rustic room by giving your walls the appearance of distressed wood. It can also be applied to glass, vinyl, lacquer, and stone, allowing you to use it on doors, tables, drawers, shelves, and other surfaces that you want to look like wood. KEY features 17.71 inches by 32.8 feet. PVC material. Available in other sizes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.